Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Slack channel message for new Reddit post. Suppose you want that whenever you will create a new post on your Reddit account, automatically the message related to this post should be shared with your team members on Slack channel. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Reddit in our trigger and Slack in our action. So we are going to connect both of them with the help of Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send a Slack channel message whenever a new post will be created on our Reddit account. So let's suppose me and my team members are running a community on Reddit account, and now I want that as soon as I will create a new post on the community, automatically the details of the post should be shared with my team members on Slack channel. So we are going to step by step create an automation for this by setting up a simple integration between Reddit and Slack. And that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. So here this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by tapping pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. And this is the all apps section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders over here in order to save our workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name. Send Slack channel message for new Reddit post. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose here in this workflow, we are going to take Reddit in our trigger and Slack in our action. And we want that as soon as a new post will be created on the community in our Reddit account, automatically the response of that post should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using that same response, automatically a message should be sent on our Slack channel to our team members informing about the same post. But here we can find that only when the post is created on our Reddit account, then the message is being sent on Slack channel, otherwise not. So this means that the action is a response towards our trigger. Now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. So first of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is Reddit. So let's select it. Now we will select our trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we will select new post over here as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a new post will be created in our Reddit account, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, the workflow should get start. Let's click on connect, and now we will have to select the option. So I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with my Reddit account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now we will click on connect with Reddit, and here Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Reddit account, as it is 100% safe. So let's click on allow. And with this, our authorization has become successful. So since I was already logged into my Reddit account, the authorization with Pabbly Connect has become successful very easily. You also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to the applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection easy and simple. Now we will move further, and after building the connection, here we have to provide the name of our subreddit in which we want to create the post. So here my subreddit is Indian Fashion Addicts. I am simply going to copy the same and paste it over here. Okay, so the instructions are also provided to us here. It is given that if your community name is this r/test xyz20, then you do not have to use the r/ in the name of your subreddit. So we have already done that. We have removed r/ from the name. We have to enter only the name in this field. Okay. Now, before clicking on save and send test request to capture the response, we have to keep in mind that Reddit is based on polling and it has the polling time of 10 minutes. So now when we are going to click on save and send test request, we are going to receive the response of the last created post in our Reddit community. So in order to capture the response of a new post, we will first have to create a post in Reddit account and then we have to click on save and send test request. So let's do that. I'm going to create a new post over here. So we will click on this create post option. And now we are going to create a new post over here with the title, Did I Get the Basic Fit Right? And here I'm going to add one image. So let me upload one image. And now we are going to click on post. So here our post is created. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and we will click on save and send test request. And we have received the response. The title is given, Did I Get the Basic Fit Right? Okay. So now because we have received this response, that means we have successfully built an integration between Reddit and Pabbly Connect. And now by using this response, we are going to send Slack channel message to our team members regarding this post. Okay. So we will connect Slack with Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step over here. And we will select our action application as Slack. Okay. Now we have to select the action event, which is going to be send channel message. Click on connect and now we have to select the option. So I'm going to click on add new connection to build a new connection with my Slack account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now we will click on connect with Slack and here it is asking us for the token type. So we have to enter token type over here, either user or a bot. So in order to understand the difference between user and bot, we can click on this hyperlink. Let's do that. And it has redirected us towards Pabbly forum. And here is the difference given between bot and user. So it is given with the token type as user, you will have the following permissions. So we can perform following tasks with the help of user token type. And if we are using bot as our token type, then we can perform following functions. Okay, send channel message with image, send channel message without image, send direct message with image, send direct message without image, and etc. So here we want to send channel message with or without image. So we can use bot over here. Okay, so I'm simply going to select bot as my token type and I will paste it over here. Done. Let's click on save. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Slack account. So we will click on allow as it is 100% safe. And with this, our authorization has become successful. So we will move further. And here after building the connection with Slack account, we have to enter the details in these fields in order to send Slack channel message. First of all, it is asking us for the channel name. On which channel we want to send the message. So here I have created a channel named as Reddit post on which I want to send the message regarding the Reddit post. So here I'm going to select my channel name from the drop down. That is Reddit post. Okay. I have selected the channel name. In the same manner, you have to select your channel from the drop down. Okay. And the next thing it is asking us is the message which we want to send on our channel. So here we want to send the message regarding the post which we have recently created on our Reddit account. And the response of that post is already captured in Pabbly Connect. So we are going to use the same details which we have recently received from Reddit response here in order to map the data. So first of all, let me type the message which I want to send. Hello team, check out the recent post on our Reddit fashion community. Here are the details, title and the link. Regards. Okay. So what we are going to do in the place of title and the link, we are simply going to map the data. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. Here we can find that our previous step is given, that is Reddit new post. If we will select that, we will find all the details related to our post. Okay. So whatever data we want, we will simply select that and it will be mapped automatically. Here first of all, we want to map the title. So let us search for the title here and it has redirected us towards the title of the post. Did I get the basic fit right? Okay. After this, we are going to map the link. So I am going to search for link over here. This is the permalink. That means the link of the post. So we have mapped it. Now why we have mapped this data? Because we want that as soon as a new post will be created on our Reddit account and the response of that post will be captured in Pabbly Connect, automatically in the field of message, the title and the link should get replaced with a new title and a new link of that new post. But instead, if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. So here we can find that whatever data we have entered manually, that is this description of the post, is going to be same with each and every response, and only the title and link which we have mapped over here is going to be replaced. Okay, so therefore wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically, there we map the data, and when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is called as static mapping. Now after entering the message, let's move further, and if you want you can also attach a particular image URL here along with this message. Okay, now here you have to provide the bot name through which you want to send the message. So I am going to enter Pabbly over here as my bot name, and because I have entered it manually, so it is going to be same each time. So this is the name of my bot through which I want to send the message each time on my Slack channel. Now the next is bot icon. If you want to provide a specific icon to your bot, you can also attach image URL of that icon over here in this field. Now we will click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response, and in response we have also received the code of the channel on which the message is being sent. So we are going to go and check on our Slack account on the channel which we have created whether a message is received there or not. And here we can find that yes, we have received the message. Hello team, check out the recent post on our Reddit fashion community. Here are the details. Title, did I get the basic fit right? And here the link is also provided to us of the post. Okay, the bot name Pabbly is also here. So we have received the message through Pabbly bot. Okay, so with this we have successfully built an integration between Reddit and Slack, and now we are going to go back towards Pabbly Connect to summarize what we have done here in this workflow. Okay, so we have taken two simple steps over here. In trigger, we have taken Reddit, and in action, we have taken Slack. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new post will be created on our Reddit account, the response of that post will be automatically captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using that same response, automatically a message will be sent on our Slack channel to our team members informing about that same post. So basically, we have set up a bot over here which is going to send an automated message on our Slack channel whenever a new post will be created on our Reddit account. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and this is going to enable you to automatically send Slack channel message whenever a new post will be created on your Reddit account. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.